Yes.
Is he still in there?
No, he went out. I think he might have walked out just a little bit ago.
Do you know which way he left?
I honestly don't know because my kid was crying, but I don't know what to do. Like
So he left? What happened?
I think he did.
Yeah, you gotta tell him.
So it's been like I've talked with this before, but he's mentally ill. Like he tries to kill himself. He's like, please.
What happened?
Well, it's been okay. It's fine. Basically, it's just he's constantly. I mean, on the phone with his mom. I hook up my phone, but he is constantly trying to kill himself. He's like, he's definitely.
What made you call 911 right now?
Because he's hurting himself. And he's continuing to drink, and I told him to stop drinking.
Did anything happen between you two?
Yes, he put me in a headlock and he hurt me.
You wanna go this way? Yeah, I'm just gonna do that. We'll cut it over here. Then I'll hold on. No, we're good over here. Hey, hands!
Fucking faggot!
I got a 40.
Shoot me, nigger! Shoot me,
Hey,
faggot!
he has a sword.
I have a sword, nigger!
Drop it, drop it. Drop
Shoot me!
it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop 40. 40. 998. 998.
Hey, keep an eye on the sword. Keep an eye on the sword. Keep an eye on the sword.
998 and 267. You're 1020.
Hey, easy. We still got a short to take.